Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up any internet connection on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now at first, just go to your taskbar and right click on it, then just click on Task Manager. Then just maximize this window and make sure you're in Processes, and from here select Network and then just click on Network and then just check which apps are using the most network bandwidth. And whichever of them is using the most network bandwidth, and if you don't need them, just right click on them and click on End Task. Just do it for all the apps that you don't need, but make sure you don't turn off the Microsoft services. For example, the service host, these are important, so don't close those. Just close the apps which you know, for example, Google Chrome. If you don't need it, just close it. And after that, what you can do is click on Windows plus R, and this is gonna bring up this menu. In here, type appwiz.cpl and hit an OK. Then from here, select the softwares that you don't really need, but those are using your internet bandwidth. So just delete all the softwares that you don't need and install them from here. Then just close this. Then just click on Windows plus R once again. This time type ncpa.cpl and hit on OK. This is gonna bring up the network connections. Select your network connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Mine is Ethernet, so I'm just gonna select it, right click on it and click on Properties. From here, just click on the Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and click on Properties. From here, select Use the following DNS server and either use Google's or Cloudflare's DNS server. I'm gonna use Cloudflare's one, which is 1.1.1.1 as the primary DNS, and as the secondary or the alternate DNS, you need to put 1.0.0.1. Then just click on OK. Click on OK here again. And you can go ahead and refresh your system and your internet should be fast. And basically that is how to speed up any internet connection on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.